To use any of the Google apps and add an image, it's super easy. Your camera on your laptop is integrated in. So there's no extra clicks, there's no worrying about where to find stuff. Let me show you. So for example, when you're ready to add an image to this artwork here, I can choose Insert, Image, go over to the right, at the bottom choose Camera. Now I get to see my web camera. There's two of me. All I have to do is hold up my artwork. This is a lovely painting by my son and I want to try to get no fingers in it. It is pretty tricky to do, but we'll do our best. And my first example is supposed to be terrible, so I'll make it extra crazy bad, super zoomed in, turn, and when I'm happy with my terrible image, I choose the yellow. I get a preview, and then I can choose Insert. So now I'm going to just go ahead for this project and place it inside of the frame. Now, you can also right-click on the frame and choose Replace Image. So I'm going to right-click on the frame here. I'm going to go down to Replace Image and choose Camera. I get the same thing. This time I'm going to try to do an okay image of my artwork. Not as bad as the first one. Ooh, it's hard with that mirror. And a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right. And there we go. And now I'm going to choose Replace. I like how you can see my eye. Now, if I was trying to do an even better job, notice it kind of cropped my image. I would need to make sure that I'm also cropping afterwards. So here's what I recommend for an excellent image. Insert, Image, Camera. Hold up your art, but go ahead and peek over it if you need to so that you can see. No fingers in the way. Ah! This is tricky. And when you've got it and it's square, go ahead and choose the camera. Choose the bottom one now because I've taken two. Choose Insert and Crop. So at the top you have these two things. When you hover over it says Crop Image. I'm going to click that. Notice it's going to put this black frame on my image. If I grab that and drag it down, I can use that to come and crop in very close to my image and try to get all the extraneous stuff out, like my fingers. So I have a much better version. Still not perfect because working with that webcam can be tricky if you're going to try to hold things up, but much better than my first two.